First, let's build your installation media. So open your web browser, head over to the official Proxmox website, and download the latest Proxmox VE ISO image. Next, open a new tab, search for Rufus, and download the lightweight portable version. Plug a spare USB drive into your computer, open Rufus, select your newly downloaded Proxmox ISO, and hit start. Once the flashing process finishes, eject the drive, plug it directly into the server or machine you intend to use for your hypervisor, turn it on, and smash your boot menu key to boot straight from that USB. Select Install Proxmox VE from the menu, accept the license agreement, and move to the file system selection screen. If you are running multiple matching drives and want high-end data redundancy, select ZFS. But if you are running a single drive like we are today, change the file system to XFS because it handles large virtual disk files significantly faster than standard options. Click Next. Let Proxmox auto-detect your location and time zone. Set your secure root password and type in your email address for system alerts. On the network configuration page, Proxmox requires a static identity because it does not play nice with dynamic IPs. So pick a dedicated IP address outside of your router's pool, type in your gateway and DNS server, and hit Next. Review the summary page, click Install, and let the server do its thing until it reboots. Once it reboots, look at the screen, copy the secure URL showing port 8006, and type it exactly into a web browser on your main computer. Bypass the SSL warning, log in with the username root and the password you created,